Today is Saturday, May 23rd, and this is an update on the Salvia experiment, where this is the salvia that we cut back pretty far. There's a couple of things of note about what has happened since that happened. One is that these leaves are doing this, and I cut out a few that looks like that were a little bit worse. I'm not sure what that's about, but it's got me concerned. But we do see a lot of, we see growth coming out of nodes of the existing stalks, but I think we also see new stuff coming up from the bottom, from the base. It's kind of hard to get down in there, but I think we see, yeah, it looks to me like we have new stuff coming up in there at the base of the existing stalks. I think it's the bases of the existing stalks, and I don't know if they were sprouting those already or if that happened as a result of the pruning. Then we come over to this one here, and this is the one where finally all of the blooms got spent at about the same time. I cut them off as they expired. I cut the spikes off as they expired. All in all, I think they were all done within about a week of each other, maybe a week and a half. But we can see that there are already, quite a lot of new blooms coming up. So this is happening a lot faster on this plant than on the one that I cut back. So that's really something that's interesting, is that it's happening faster. These blooms are coming back way faster. And where, like right there, I cut off one, I guess it might have been a stalk that branched out, but it looks like I cut off one and now I'm getting two. And then the same thing right here. Yeah, I believe that's what's happened. So that means that I'm getting more stalks, I think, than by cutting them back. So far, this is looking the more promising of the two methods, but we will we'll keep checking. I've also mentioned that out front, I have a lot of these same kind of salvias out front, and I'm not gonna walk out there now because it's raining, but I cut them back pretty far. I did the same thing. They all needed to be cut back later than either of these two. So I did this just a couple of days ago. In fact, it might have been yesterday or the day before. But I cut them back kind of like this one. They were all fairly new, and well, they were the same age as this one. I bought them all together, but I don't know. Anyway, I cut them all back pretty much like that one over there, and we will see what kind of effect that has.